last. Okay guys, I've been going over an hour and I've only found my first really good signal. I found very faint signals and only found bits of rubbish, coke, a couple of bullets, some screws, that's it. But this is my first real good signal. And it looks like I've got my first coin. Looks like it might be an old penny. Let's get it out. It's lovely when you hear that real nice clean tone, you just know it's something decent. Let's give it a quick wipe. That's my first coin of the day, 1928, 1 penny, Georgia 5th. Not fantastic quality, but it's a coin, so onwards and upwards. Oh dear, right guys, I've got a signal there and I've been digging for ages. I nearly gave up on it. Very faint signal, quite deep. It's got a great big root around it, right in the middle, so it's making it really hard to get to, but there's something green there. I think I might have a coin. So I'll get back to you in a bit when I've dug it out. I could be here a while. Oh, and after all that, it was just a manky old button. Nothing more, nothing less. Oh well, I'm nearly home now. I've only had 1 coin. Never mind, that's how it goes sometimes. So I'll see you on the next hunt, hopefully tomorrow, if I don't get any more signals before the end of this hunt today. Thanks for watching guys, happy hunting. Hi guys, it's Sunday morning, back to the field where I found the rubber brooch. Because it was absolute rubbish yesterday, I only found that 1 coin, so sorry about the wind. First decent signal, quite deep. It's like an old Georgian penny. I'll clean it up a bit. Alright guys, quite chuffed with this one because there's some detail on this. Normally the old Georgian coins I find are absolutely toasted, but can't quite make out the date at the bottom there, but I should be able to once I get home. You can see Britannia there on the right and on the side. That's a pretty good portrait there. I'm chuffed with that. That's definitely the best Georgian coin I've ever found. Nice detail on it. Excellent, that's a good start. Looks like I've got the second coin. It's a big old thick one. Just give it a clean up. Well, it doesn't appear to be a coin. There's a hole that goes right through to the other side. It's a strange one. Thought it might be a wheel off an old toy car or something. Or some farming machinery. Like, if you can see that, little holes like punctures in above there, but they don't actually go right through. But the one in the middle does, so I've no idea. It's quite deep. Oh well. Right, another coin, hopefully. Spin. Half penny. Don't think there's anything on it. That's pretty toasted to me. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get anything off that. Oh, Georgian halfpenny probably. Oh well, to the next one. Right, I'm only a foot away from that last hole where I dug a coin. And looks like I got another one. Maybe I was on an old track or something. Yeah, it looks toasted, sorry about the wind. Same size, thin. Oh well. Keep going, might be something else around here. Morning everyone, it's Sunday. It's not a bad morning. Come out here for a couple of hours. Same old field. First signal, first dig. Great big horseshoe. Not found one of them for a while. It's a whopper. That's my second find. Musket ball. Okay, this just popped out of the hole. That looks coinish to me. Button. Oh, it's one of those big dandy buttons. Got a bit of detail on, so quite happy with that. As buttons go, that's not bad at all. Okay. Happy to have a buckle here. Oh wow. Some detail on that. Just clean it up a bit. I'm not going to rub it actually because it's quite fragile. But I love my buckles and that's one of the best I've ever found. It's like a shoe buckle, maybe. Oh, I'm well pleased. Probably Georgian. Excellent. First coin of today. Blooming penny. Modern one. No thank you. I've just had a break and I've come across what I think, I'm hoping is another buckle by the looks of it. Yay! Oh, brilliant. Never had two buckles in one go, in one trip. So we've got the pin as well. Nice one too. Excellent. I'm not doing well on coins today, but I am on buckles, so I'm happy with that. Alright guys, I'm on my way home now, so I'll just show you what I found there with the bits of rubbish that I found, bits of lead, bits of bronze. These are the best bits today. Three buckles. That was more like a little horse harness that I found. I'm pleased with them too. And those were the buttons I found and musket balls. Only coin today was modern 1p. So just walking to the edge there of the road. If I find anything else before then I'll let you know, but if I don't get anything else, happy hunting guys, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.